Hello everyone, just wanted to make a quick video of my new car. Yes, this is my new car. This is, my family was wonderful enough to pick this up for me. It's a 94 Mercury Tracer. I'll just show you around it real quick. And it's in this very nice green color. My nephew picked out the steering wheel cover for me. It's got power, nothing actually. It says, here's your fuel cap. I'm absolutely in love with this car. Just drove it back. This has got 68,000 original miles on it. Funny little police interceptor badge my brother-in-law added to it. 15-inch wheels. Like I said, power nothing, but it is just a fantastic little car. Yeah, I know. I'm doing something real quick, Dad. So, here's the interior. Aftermarket CD player, air conditioning that blows ice cold. Your 90s style seatbelts. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up real quick for you.
Am I taking into Megan's mind?
Yes.
What does Megan think about it?
It's nice.
Huh?
She likes it.
You get the new keys for it?
Yeah. And of course 1.8 liter, 1.9 liters. I'm showing the engine.
To who?
My YouTube channel. I got it, Dad. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. 1.9 liter, making out 88 horsepower. But I tell you, this thing has got plenty of power. So, and I absolutely love it. And the best part is, it's all mine. So, this is going to be staying here for my parents for a little while until my wife and I move. And then, I'll be doing more videos on this car. So thank you for watching.